Thank you for your time, man.
You're welcome.
Good day.
You as well. If you get it back downstairs. Thank you.
This was back to probation or?
Back to Vanessa.
Very good. Thank you, Judge.
Good morning, Mr. Jadala. You got work for me already?
I have 2 matters ready whenever the court is, Judge.
Hold on, let me get my volume up so I can hear you. I'm sorry, try that again.
Your Honor, I have 2 matters ready for you today. I have Mrs. Rashonda Johnson and Mr. Shamar Jordan.
Jordan and Johnson, let me find files.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, got them both. Let's start with Johnson because that's the one I got in my hand first.
And Your Honor, respectfully, Sam Jadal, P62186, appearing on behalf of Mrs. Rashonda Johnson. Ms. Johnson, would you please unmute yourself, turn on your camera, and say your name for the judge?
Well, maybe we'll do Jordan first.
And Your Honor, respectfully, Sam Jadal, P62186, appearing on behalf of Mr. Jordan. Your Honor, for purposes of today's arraignment, we waive formal reading and stand mute. Mr. Jordan understands what he's being charged with, as well as the possible penalties. At this time, Your Honor, we're going to respectfully request this matter be set for a pretrial, requested discovery from the prosecutor in this matter.
Did you talk about dates?
We did not, Your Honor. What were the available dates?
Yeah, let me get those. Hey,
Yes.
Heather, you on?
Yep, I am. Sammer, we either have December 29th, January 8th, or January 22nd. I don't know if you're already scheduled for any of those. It's going to be with Judge Martin.
We're gonna set you up on a different device. I'll meet you out there, okay?
Excuse me, my background was kind of loud, guys.
That's all right.
Okay, so we got the 29th, the 8th, and the 27th. Actually, I believe the 8th would be probably the best.
All
What
right.
time is that going to be?
9 a.m.
All right, got that, Mr. Jordan?
Oh, okay, it's for January the 8th at 9 o'clock in the morning?
Yeah, and we'll mail you a notice to that address you've got on Outer Drive. It'll have the Zoom information.
Okay. Okay, January the 8th on Zoom.
You have a nice day.
You too, you guys be safe, enjoy your week.
Thank you. You too.
All right, bye-bye.
Miss Johnson.
Yes,
you
I
there?
think I just found it.
There you go. Activate your camera if you can. You're
Okay,
all set, Mr. Jordan.
Can you tell me how I do that? Because I don't know how.
Right next to the button you press to activate the voice would be activating your camera. It looks like a camera. So you have 2 buttons on the bottom, one that looks like a microphone, one that looks like a camera. Hit the microphone one and the camera one.
Well, how about it ain't even coming up? So let me see. Nope, it's not. I don't know no other way to do it. It just told me to tap and speak.
Mr. Jadal, I'll waive video presence if you'll be all right with that.
That's fine, Your Honor. At this time, Your Honor, Ms. Johnson, I've had that opportunity to speak with Ms. Johnson, Your Honor. She understands what she's being charged with. She would like to avail herself to the plea whereby she'll be pleading guilty to 1 count of a checkpoint violation. The matter will be taken under advisement under 771.1 for a period of 3 months.
3 months?
Yes, Judge.
Thank you. Ms. Johnson, did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Jadala today?
Yes, I did, sir.
Did you understand those rights and the options presented?
I believe so, yes.
You understand the possible penalty for this charge?
No, but could you explain it to me, please?
Up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 90 days in jail.
Oh, okay, yes.
That's the possible penalty. You understand that?
Yes, I do.
In understanding all of these things, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to the charge today?
Yes, I am.
On October 23, were you at Metro Airport?
Yes, I was.
Were you at a checkpoint?
Yes.
At that point, did you have a firearm in your possession that you did not have authority to have at that location?
Yes.
Mr. Jadala, are you satisfied?
I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
What should I know about Ms. Johnson before I set the terms of sentence?
Your Honor, she had children with her. It was her 14-year-old's first time traveling alone. Your Honor, she works in a very dangerous neighborhood where she's always, she is a CPL holder, Your Honor, and it just slipped her mind. She just wants the court to know that's not her. That's not how it usually does. She's usually very responsible. But at this time that she made a mistake, Your Honor, we just ask if this court would consider minimal fines and costs, So she may, Your Honor, after the 3 months, petition the airport to have her gun back. It's something that she needs for her day-to-day working environment, Judge.
Okay, and no priors, I assume?
No priors at all, Judge.
Thank you. Ms. Johnson, don't feel that you have to say anything at all, but I want to give you an option if there's anything you want to add to that.
No, just have mercy on me, please.
All right. Oh, excuse me. I'll go along with the prosecutor. I'll delay sentence for 3 months. During that time period, you stay out of trouble. No new charges. Court costs are assessed in the amount of $500. Do you need some payment options on that, or you want to just give me a due date?
Do I have 3 months to pay it?
No,
How long when do I have to pay it? Just give me a
I don't
date.
know I don't know your finances, ma'am. So this isn't, let's make a deal.
Okay,
Tell me what you can do.
can you give me about a month and a half?
Let's look at the calendar. How about January 15th?
Okay, that's fine.
All right. Do you have any questions for Mr. Jadala before I terminate the meeting?
I have to wait 3 months before I get my weapon back, right?
I'm
Yes,
assuming that's the conversation with the prosecutor.
Yes.
Correct, Your Honor. She has to complete the under advisement period, and then she can petition for her gun back in the airport.
Okay.
Okay.
Any other questions, ma'am?
No, that's it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome so much. Enjoy your day.
You too.
All right, Samir, you know where to find me.
Do you just need an adjournment?
Yeah, we just need an adjourned date for Mrs. I'm sorry, for
Morales?
yes, Miss Morales, correct.
All right. What date are you looking at?
Since I already have The 8th, we could probably do the 8th if that's fine with you guys.
Yep. All right. January 8th, 9 a.m. Martin, I'll send out notice. Miss Morales, did you hear that?
Yes.
All righty. I'll send out notice to the address that you gave, with the new Zoom information, okay?
Okay, perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you. Am I all set? Sorry, I'm not sure.
Yep, you are. Sorry about that. You're all
Okay,
set. Thank you.
you.
Hi, Mr. Dick.
Hello.
Hi,
Um,
yep, your attorney got a hold of us, let us know that he's unavailable today. So,
okay, great. I just wanted to confirm because if things weren't approved or whatever, I didn't
yeah,
want to miss something required. Okay, so I'll see you whenever he
when,
reschedules it. Thanks
yeah,
a lot.
hold on. Are you still in Chelsea on Friar Road?
Yeah, I'm still in
Okay,
Chelsea.
okay. I just want to verify because I'm going to send out new notice. We're going to change it to the January 8th at 9 a.m. It's going to be with Judge Martin, and I'll send out new notice, okay?
Okay, yeah, I'll write it too, just to be sure. So January 8th,
Yep.
9 a.m.
Judge Martin, and I'll send out the Zoom information. Alrighty.
All right, thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Thanks for checking in.
Yep, bye.
Bye. You have a couple, Jim?
I have one that requires an interpreter. I can go in and talk to the
Nope.
other one. Should
Nope,
be
I'll grab
quick.
the judge. Oh, okay. If you think it'll be quick, then that's fine, and then I'll
Yeah,
have
it'll
the
be
judge.
quick. It's just a checkpoint one.
All right.
So I'll talk to them real quick.
Alrighty, thanks. Hi, Mr. Coyle. You just needed to speak to the prosecutor?
Yes, good morning. How are you?
Good morning. I'm fine, and it looks like your client is here, so I'm going to throw you in the breakout room with the prosecutor. When you come back, if you need a breakout room, if I'm busy, just chat me, and I'll throw you
Okay,
guys in a breakout room, okay?
thank you.
Yeah.
I get some others.
Mr. Puda, did you just need to be put in with the prosecutor?
Yes, please.
Alrighty.
Do I got a few minutes, Heather?
Nope, judge is out there.
Oh, morning, Judge.
Good morning, Mr. Bennett. What do you got ready?
The first one would be Chirino, Your Honor, Jorge Diaz.
CHIR.
Got it. Appearances, please.
For the record, Your Honor, James Bennett appearing on behalf of the airport.
Buenos
I believe.
días.
Go ahead, ma'am.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Celine Yu, Spanish interpreter for Mr. Chirino Diaz.
Why don't you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm that you will accurately translate between English and Spanish, Spanish and English, so that we can all discuss this file today?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, let Mr. Chirino know what we just said.
Buenos días, señor Chirinos. Estamos en la causa de la Fiscalía en su contra. Se acaba de presentar el fiscal James Meme.
Mr. Mena, what do we got?
Your Honor, I had an opportunity to speak with Mr. Chirino through the interpreter. He's going to plead guilty under 771 for 3 months, Your Honor, to abandon personal property.
Y sí, dígame, señor fiscal, qué es lo que vamos a hacer el día de hoy. Dice el señor fiscal, juez, yo tuve la oportunidad de hablar con el señor Chirino. Él se va a declarar culpable a dejar abandonar su propiedad personal bajo el código 771.43.
Mr. Chirino, do you understand your rights and options?
Señor Chirino, ¿usted entiende sus derechos y sus opciones?
Sí, yes,
Yes.
Do you understand the possible penalty for today's charge?
¿Y usted entiende las posibles sanciones por la acusación del día de hoy?
yes,
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty today freely and voluntarily?
Y después de haber entendido todo eso, ¿usted se quiere declarar culpable de una manera libre y voluntaria?
yes.
Mr. Mena, you'll have to explain to me how this works.
Señor Mena, por favor, explíqueme qué es lo que vamos a hacer específicamente.
I'm not sure, Your Honor. He left personal property airport in violation of the airport ordinance.
Yeah, so how does leaving his phone somewhere help him out? I don't understand that.
He did it intentionally, Your Honor. What it does is it keeps him in the Uber queue. So the phones are geolocated. So he had to
That's what I thought. Okay. All right.
Sí, a ver, explíqueme. Bueno, dice el fiscal, lo que pasa es que él dejó su propiedad en quebranto de las leyes del aeropuerto. Él básicamente dejó sus teléfonos para mantenerlo en la línea de una manera intencional. Dice el juez, muy bien, entiendo.
All right, Mr. Chirino, on September 17, 2025 at Detroit Metro Airport, did you leave personal property unattended?
A ver, señor Chirino, dígame, el 17 de septiembre del año 2025, ¿usted dejó propiedad personal abandonada en el aeropuerto de Detroit?
Sí,
Yes.
Mr. Mena, are you satisfied?
I am, Your Honor.
Señor Mena, ¿se adhiere a esto? Dice el fiscal Mena, sí, su señoría.
All right, Mr. Chirino, I have accepted your plea. Anything you want me to consider before I sentence you?
Bueno, señor Chirino, yo voy a aceptar su declaración de culpable. ¿Hay algo que usted me quiera decir antes de que yo le diga su condena?
bueno.
No.
No fue algo que quise hacerlo intencionalmente, porque fue algo por una necesidad que lo hice, pero bueno, sí acepto que tengo la culpa de haberlo dejado.
I was guilty, I did it as a necessity, but I agree, I am guilty.
All right. I will delay sentence for 3 months. During that time period, stay out of trouble, no new charges.
Voy a poner su condena en suspenso por 3 meses. En esos 3 meses, por favor, no se meta en problemas. No quiero que lo acusen de nada más. ¿Está bien?
Muchas gracias.
Thank you so much.
Court costs are assessed in the amount of $300.
Le voy a dar una multa de $300.
Ok.
Can you pay that today?
¿Eso lo puede pagar usted el día de hoy?
¿Pudiera pagarlo el próximo lunes?
Can I pay it by next Monday?
Yeah, say Monday, a week from today, 3 p.m.
Sí, una semana desde el día de hoy hasta las 3 de la tarde.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Any questions?
De nada, ¿alguna pregunta?
En 3 meses tengo que volver. Después, ¿qué tengo que hacer?
Do I have to come back in 3 months?
No, just stay out of trouble and it goes away.
No, simplemente no se meten problemas y eso se desaparece solo.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right. Thank you, Madam Interpreter.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank
you,
you.
Mr. Mena, who's next?
Luke Markle, Your Honor,
Markle,
with an M, yep.
appearances, please.
James Mena for the airport, Your Honor.
Luke Markel here.
All right, Mr. Markel, are you going
Yes,
forward
sir.
today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
All right, you met with Mr. Mena?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
What did we come up with, Mr. Mena?
Your Honor, it's checkpoint violation. It's a firearm. He's going to plead guilty under 771 for 3 months. At the completion of the 3-month period, he can contact the airport police and get his firearm back.
Thank you. Mr. Markel, do you understand your rights and the options those rights present to you?
I do, Your Honor.
You understand the possible penalty for today's charge?
I do, Your Honor. Yes, sir.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to the charge freely and voluntarily today?
Yes, sir, I am, Your Honor.
Mr. Markel, on October 24, were you at Detroit Metro Airport?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
And did you find yourself at a checkpoint?
I did, Your Honor.
Did you have a weapon in your possession at that checkpoint that you were not authorized to have there?
I did, Your Honor.
And that was a firearm.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Satisfied, Mr. Mena?
Yes, Your Honor.
So am I. Mr. Markel, excuse
Yes,
me. Any prior criminal history?
I do, Your Honor.
Pardon me?
Yeah, yes, sir, Your Honor.
Hold on a minute. I got somebody talking I don't need to hear. All right, when was your last criminal conviction?
Upwards of 10 years ago, I do believe, sir.
Okay. And are you working?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Where do you work? How long have you been employed there?
6 years in January. I own Wholesome CBD and supplements. A family-owned and operated business. I'm full-time there.
All right. And your CPL holder?
Yes, sir, I am.
All right. Anything else you want me to consider before I set the terms of sentence?
Yes, sir. I'm also a coach in jujitsu, and I do my best to help people. I'm a member of church, and I'm very sorry for taking up the taxpayers' dollars and slowing up the line that day. And absolutely, it'll never happen again, sir. Absolutely not.
Yeah, it's usually quite an eye opener for people to get caught up.
Yeah, I'm sitting there looking at the screen, and I'm like, oh well, there's the holdup, and I'm like, oh my goodness, and I told the TSA person right away, that's my revolver. It's loaded. I'm so sorry. It's on the third pocket in. I travel for work. And do events. Sometimes I'll have a couple of $1,000s on me, and so it's safe for me to have that. And that event that weekend, I didn't get home until about midnight on Sunday, and I normally take it, put it right in the safe. And Your Honor, I don't know, I had a crazy week that week. 6 a.m. training, and then straight to work, and then training after. And it's 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. is what my schedule is currently for a big tournament that's coming up. And that Tuesday and then the Wednesday, it was church, and then we were actually on the cleaning schedule. So I didn't get home until almost, it was like 11:30, 11, right around there when I got home. And then Thursday back at it. And then Friday morning, I mean, I packed my backpack, just running low on sleep, and it was an absolute just, I'm so sorry. So sorry.
All right, I'll accept your apology. It happens a lot more than people realize. So for 3 months, stay out of trouble, no new
Yes,
criminal
sir.
offenses. Your court costs are assessed amount of $500. Can you pay that online today?
Yes, sir. I will. Yes, sir.
All right, go to our website, follow the prompts. Enjoy your day.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, sir, prosecutor, sir.
Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
That's all I have for now, Judge. I'm gonna go into my break
All
room.
right, you know where to find us.
Have a good.
Sammer's out, Judge. I think he has a couple.
Mr. Jadala, what do you got?
Your Honor, we're ready on Atwell and Pace.
Atwell and Pace, P-A-S-C-E?
PACE, correct.
Thank you. Let's start with Atwell.
Your Honor, respectfully, Sam Rajadala, P62186, appearing on behalf of Mr. Atwell. Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we waive formal reading and stand mute. Purposes of pretrial, Mr. Atwell would like to avail himself to the plea whereby he'd be pleading guilty to the checkpoint violation and will be taken under advisement under 771.1 for a period of 3 months, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Atwell, can you hear me?
Yes, Your Honor, I can.
Did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Jadala today?
I did.
Understood those rights and the options presented?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
And sir, do you understand the possible penalty for the charge?
Yes, I do.
Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty to that charge today freely and voluntarily?
Yes, Your Honor, I am.
All right, Mr. Atwell, on November 10, 2025, did you find yourself at a checkpoint at Detroit Metro Airport?
Yes, I did.
At that time, did you have something in your possession that you did not have authorization to have there?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what was that, sir?
It was my former off-duty Glock pistol.
All right. Satisfied, Mr. Jadala?
I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
This was a 3 month?
3 months, 771.1, correct, Your Honor.
Thank you. What should I know about Mr. Atwell before I sentence?
Your Honor, this was just a slip of the mind. He's a retired DEA agent, Your Honor. He understands he made a mistake. It was an accident. It's not going to happen again.
And the embarrassment alone didn't kill you, Mr. Atwell.
It came close.
I bet it did. I bet it did. Yeah. All right. Anything you want to add to that?
No, Your Honor. It's just it was a complete oversight. I was not planning
Yeah.
on flying that day. My wife and I drove from North Carolina because we bought a house for our handicapped daughter in Jackson, and I had to run home. There was an emergency. My wife made a plane reservation at 6:30 in the morning. I get the next plane out. I grabbed my bag. I thought it had 2 sandwiches and a book in it, and I'd forgotten that I must have left it in the backpack. I had locked it in the glove box of my truck. But driving around Detroit and Jackson, I didn't know if that was a good idea. So I vaguely remember throwing it in my backpack and leaving it in the house where I would have left it. But with all the stress and stuff going on,
Sure.
I just grabbed my bag and ran.
Yep. Yep. All right. Anything else I should consider, sir?
No, Your Honor, no.
All right. I'll delay sentence for 3 months. During that time period, you stay out of trouble, no new charges. Court costs are assessed the amount of $500. Can you pay that online today?
Yes, sir, I can.
Any questions for Mr. Jadal before I end the meeting?
How do I go about paying that?
If you just Google internet search our court, 34th District Court, Romulus, Michigan, follow the
Okay.
prompts and you'll have the payment option.
Okay. Well, thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you, sir.
Absolutely.
And Pace is
But-
next.
Okay, yeah, sorry.
And for purposes, Sam Rajadala, Your Honor, appearing on behalf of Mr. Pace, purposes of arraignment, we'd waive formal reading and stand mute. Just ask for the court date, the January 9th court date.
Adjourning the arraignment pretrial to January 9.
Yes, Judge.
Why is this one
February
kicking
8th, I'm
around
sorry.
so long? This file goes back to March.
I believe there's been a few KPSs and reset, Your Honor.
Then let's set it for trial. I'm not going to do another pretrial. You need
set
some
it
more
for,
time in the breakout?
No, could we at least set it for a final pretrial just to make sure that I have all the discovery and then, Your Honor, then set it for a trial date? On the
No, because I've got a note from June, discovery received.
Okay.
It's time to get this one resolved.
Understood, Your Honor. If you'd like to make, I believe Mr. Pace is prepared to take it to trial. He's been adamant, Your Honor. I believe.
I got no problem with the trial. No problem at all. Mr. Pace, I just need you to make a decision what kind of trial you want. Did you have a chance to discuss with Mr. Jadala your options on that?
No, he just became my lawyer again today. They keep switching my lawyer too.
But you got to show up for your court dates, and then that don't happen.
I missed one court date, if I'm not mistaken, and they had me come into the courthouse, and I still came in and did a Zoom.
Mr. Pace,
and when
Mr. Pace, there's only one question you have to decide for me today. You want a bench trial or jury trial? If you don't know the difference, I'll let you talk to Mr. Jadala in a breakout room.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
All right, we'll let you have some more breakout time.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
This cup in particular is 1907. Such a rich history, and it's
Mr. Coyle, you're ready on Mr. Rosinski?
Yes. Counsel, I'm pulling the file. Go ahead and put your appearance on while I look.
Christopher Coyle, P 49708, appearing on behalf of Stan Rosinski. Good
And
morning.
Mr. Rosinski, you can hear us okay?
Yes, I can, sir.
Thank you. Counsel, what do we got?
Your Honor, we waive the formal reading to stand mute, and we have a resolution with regard to checkpoint violation.
Tell me about it.
We're going to plead as charged under 771.1 for 90 days. Thanks to Mr. Bennett.
All right. And Mr. Rosinski, you understand your rights and options after discussing those with Mr. Coyle?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
And do you understand the possible penalty for this charge, sir?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Understanding all of these things, are you pleading guilty to the charge freely and voluntarily today?
Yes, sir.
Sir, did you come in contact with TSA at a checkpoint at Metro Airport on November 7?
Yes, I did.
At that time, did you have in your possession something that you should not have had there?
Yes, sir.
And what was that?
It was a pistol.
All right, Mr. Coyle, are you satisfied with the facts?
I am, Your Honor. Thank you.
I'll accept the plea. What should I know about Mr. Rosinski?
Judge, Mr. Rosinski, 64 years old, lifelong resident of Michigan, has no prior record. He is a CPL holder, of course, or was. It expired now. Business owner here in the metropolitan Detroit area, owner of JZ Contracting and Sweetwater's Cafe in Novi. We'd ask that you follow Mr. Mena's agreement.
Sure. Mr. Rosinski, anything you want to add? Don't feel that you have to.
I apologize, and it was a shocking experience when it happened.
Yeah. Surprise.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Yeah. Yeah. That'll wake you up, eh? Better than a cup of coffee.
Oh, it did.
Yeah. All right. I'll delay sentence for 3 months, sir. During that time period, stay out of trouble. No new criminal offenses. Court costs are assessed the amount of $500. Can you pay that online today?
Yes, sir.
Any questions?
No, sir.
Counsel, we got it covered.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Gentlemen, enjoy your day.
Thank you.
You too.
Medina. She's on a couple of these, but people should covering. Other thing, we don't have airport nothing soon, so if you do them trial, I'm not sure. So you know, but Medina's on a couple of my club's office and Jadal has definitely live on 4.
Okay. You're welcome. Mr. Nguyen, are you going forward without a court-appointed attorney today? Raymond Nguyen, you're muted.
Yes, sir.
All right. Are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney?
Yes, sir.
You made a deal with the prosecutor?
Yes, sir.
What was that deal?
That I paid all courts and fines and fees, and then I would that he would waive the charge.
All right. So was he going to adjourn this, or were you pleading guilty today?
He was going to adjourn it.
Okay. Did you talk about a date?
No.
Heather, what are our options for January dates?
January 8th and January 22nd. Miss
Pick
Roberts,
one,
if
Mr.
there is
Nguyen.
something asking you to go into a breakout room, you need to go in that breakout room.
Mr. Nguyen, which one of those dates you want? January 8th work?
Yes, sir.
All right, that's going to be on Zoom. We'll send you a notice with the Zoom information.
Okay.
Any questions?
No, sir.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Mr. Poot, are you ready?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning. Ready on Pollard?
Pollard is the name.
Yes, Your Honor.
Go ahead, put your appearance on record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Julian Puda on behalf of the defendant, Dana Pollard. Ms. Pollard, please state your name.
Dana Marie Bocage Pollard.
Thank you. What do we got?
Your Honor, I spoke with the prosecutor. My client will be pleading guilty as charged under 771. If she completes a delay under 90 days, the charge will be dismissed.
Thank you. Ms. Pollard, did you discuss your rights and options with counsel
Yes, Your Honor.
and understood all those?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand the possible penalty for today's charge?
Yes, Your Honor.
And understanding that, are you pleading guilty today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you come into contact with TSA at a checkpoint at Metro Airport on November 2nd?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
And at that point, did you have something in your possession you were not authorized to have there?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
What was that, ma'am?
It was a firearm, a 25 caliber firearm.
Mr. Puda, you satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
So am I. What should I know about Ms. Pollard before I sentence?
Your Honor, my client lives in the state of Louisiana. She was just here visiting family. She's 52 years old. She's got no prior criminal history. She's a Army veteran. She's a clinical psychologist. This was just a mistake, Your Honor. The gun was actually being given to her as a gift, and it was going to be transported through the proper channels, but she mistakenly had left it in her bag before leaving Michigan. And Mr. Mendes said that if she completes the delayed period, that she can contact the police department and retrieve the firearm. So, Your Honor, I'm just asking if you would just give her a small fine during the delayed period.
Thank you. Ms. Pollard, don't feel that you have to say anything, but I'll give you an option if there's anything you want to let me know.
Your Honor, I made a horrible mistake. I was mortified when I discovered
I'm sure you
that
were.
Firearm was at the checkpoint. And I just apologize for wasting everybody's time, the resources that were tied up for me for that mistake that I made. And I ask that you take that into consideration.
I will, and thank you for your service.
Thank you, sir.
How many years did you give us?
9 years.
Thank you. All right, I'm going to go along with the recommendation. 3-month delayed sentence. Stay out of trouble for that 3 months. No new criminal offenses. Court costs are assessed the amount of $500. Can you do that online today, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
Any questions for Mr. Puda before we terminate the meeting?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
Have a good day, guys.
You too.
Thank you.
Bye.
Mr. Meny, you got something for me? Oh, I'm sorry. Mr. Didal, are you ready on pace?
Ready on pace. We're also ready on Williams, Raquel Williams.
Williams, let me get that one queued up. Hold on just a minute. All right, what are we doing on pace? What kind of trial we want?
He wants a jury trial, Your Honor.
All right. I don't know if Heather can give you a date on that. We might have to send out a notice.
Understood, Judge.
Heather?
We have one in March 3rd or we have March 10th. Whatever's good with Mr. Mena.
I can do either one.
Mr. Pace, you have a preference?
No.
Mr. Jolly, want to pick one?
I'd have to pick the 10th. I'm usually House Counsel on Tuesdays in Inkster. I've been doing it for the last 20 years, and that's the city docket day that I'm House Counsel for. I don't know if you have any non-Tuesdays. If not, then I'll take the 10th and I'll do what I can.
My only question is this, well, was this supposed to be Medina's case?
I'm not sure whose it's supposed to be. I
Okay.
was on it earlier and then it was not mine and then it became someone else's. So it's been,
Okay.
I remember speaking to Mr. Pace, but I knew that I wasn't his last attorney. I was probably his attorney a few years ago.
Let me see what I have. Because this might work for Mena as well. I have I have January 15th, if that works.
Oh, that won't work, I don't think. Let me check.
No, it's a Thursday.
No, I can't do the 15th of January. Sorry.
I'll just have to meet up with you guys and find a date.
I appreciate that. Thank you, Heather.
All right, Mr. Pace, we'll give you a notice as soon as they get a date figured out.
All right. Thank you, Judge.
Have a good day. I'm ready on Williams.
I respectfully, Sam Richardalla, appearing on behalf of Mrs. Williams. Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we waive formal reading and stay mute. At this time, Ms. Williams is prepared to plead guilty to an amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive.
Thank you. Ms. Williams, can you hear me all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Jadala?
Yes.
You understand those rights and the options presented to you?
Yes, I do.
Do you understand the possible penalty for the charge of allow unlicensed driver to operate?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading guilty to that charge today?
Yes.
Are you doing so freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
Ma'am, did you drive a vehicle at or near the airport on May 25, 2019?
Yes.
And at that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'll accept your plea. Mr. Jadala, what should I know before I sentence?
That Mrs. Williams appears before you with a valid license, Your Honor. She was able
Awesome.
to hear all matters.
Wonderful, Miss Williams. Are you working?
Yes. I'm actually at work right now.
Who do you work for and how long have you been there?
I've been here for about 3 years. I work for a local trade school
Okay. Where at?
in Southwest Detroit.
What are they teaching?
Technology, AI, coding,
Okay.
basically IT.
Okay. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you today?
Yes, as the attorney Jadala did say, I have reinstated my license. I paid off any tickets or open judgments against me. That's kind of it.
Good. Good work. All right. Fines and costs on the file, $600. Can you pay that today or do you need payment options?
I would need payment options.
Heather, how are we doing that? Is we got anybody online that can talk to her?
No. She would have to go on our website, contact
Website.
us, and reach
Yeah.
out to them.
So, Ms. Williams, just internet search 34th District Court, Romulus, Michigan. Under the Contact Us tab, just start a conversation about what you can do and when.
Okay.
Do that within 5 days. We need to hear from you within 5 days to get that process started.
Okay, I will do that today.
All right. Do you have any questions for Mr. Jadala before we terminate the meeting?
No, I don't. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Your Honor, I was also ready on Mrs. Lindsay Darwish.
Got the file in front of me.
And Your Honor, at this time, we're just asking for the January 8th date so we could request discovery, Your Honor.
What time you want to do that one, Heather?
9:10.
Thank you, Judge.
That was the 9th, was it?
The 8th, I believe.
8th.
January 8th.
8th at 9:10. Got it.
Right.
All right, Ms. Darwish, we'll send you a notice.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, bye-bye.
Mr. Mena, you got something ready?
I do, Miss Teresa Brennan
Brennan?
with a B as in boy.
Thank you. Ms. Brennan, are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Mena, what do we got?
Your Honor, I did have an opportunity to speak with Miss Brennan. We're not able to resolve it. I don't know what she wants to do for her next step. If she wants to set it for a trial or if she wants another pretrial. I think she said she was something about discovery, so I'm assuming another pretrial.
All right. Go ahead, Ms. Brennan. What do you want to do?
Hi, good morning, Your Honor. I plead not guilty and respect
respectfully request discovery.
All right, we'll set another pretrial date. January 8th, give you enough time to get that done, Mr. Mena?
Yes, Your Honor. We should be able to get her. I need her email address. If she wants to put it in the chat, Judge, I will, so that I can email her the police report and a discovery order.
Okay. Heather, that's January 8th. What time you want to do it?
9:10 is fine. Judge Martin.
All right. Ms. Brennan, can you email or chat your email address to Mr. Mena?
I'm trying to do the chat right now.
I will put mine in there, ma'am, and then that'll probably be easier.
Okay, because I'm trying to figure that out. So
All right. So you should have that come up in your chat. That's my email. Please email me directly.
Oh. Let me
I just, if you got a pen and paper, I'll just tell you it.
okay, that might be easier for me.
All right.
Sorry.
All right. It's JMENNA. So J Mena at Mena Law Firm, all one word, MENNALAWFIRM.com.
I got it. Thank
All
you.
right. All right.
Thank you.
Anything else, Mr. Mena?
No, Your Honor.
Hey, Heather,
Yep.
Mr. McCoskey's court date for Mr. Dick,
Yep.
he approved that date.
Okay, good.
Thank you.
And Judge, just so you know, if you see Miss Woodson, she's our arraignment
Thank you.
in-house. Miss Brennan, you're all set.
Okay, thank you.
We just don't have any arraignments as of right now.
Thank you.
Mr. Goldman, do you need a breakout room with your client or are you good to go?
No, if I could speak to my client a minute, that'd be great.
Are you ready, Mr. Goldman?
Heather, actually, I'm physically in the court and I have a sentencing in front of Judge Martin, so I'm going to run and do that and be right back with you.
You don't want to hurry up and do this right now because Judge is sitting in the courtroom.
Well, physically the doors are locked, but okay, we could do this now. Yeah, that's fine.
Judge, we're ready on McKay.
What's the client's name?
Eric McKay.
Eric McKay?
Eric McKay. Yes.
Counsel, your parents.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court. Ezra Goldman on behalf of Mr. McKay.
What do we got?
So, Your Honor, Mr. McKay is charged with the disorderly. The people have agreed to a 3-month 771.
All right, Mr. McKay, you understand the rights you have today and the options presented by those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand the possible penalty for this charge?
I'm not exactly sure the possible penalty of the exact charge.
Possible penalties up to 90 days in jail, up to $500 fines plus court costs.
Okay, understood.
Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, counsel, why don't you give me the facts I need to support the plea?
If I could just have the date, Your Honor.
Sure, incident date on the file is November 12th.
Okay, Mr. McKay, on November 12th of this year, were you in Romulus, Michigan?
Yes, correct.
Was that in the airport?
Yes, correct.
Did you behave in a disorderly way?
Yes, I did.
Is that because you had too much to drink and you were just sort of behaving like an idiot in public?
Yes, sir. That is
And
correct.
is that to the extent that others would have noticed that you were being disorderly?
Yes.
Your Honor, I would respectfully suggest that that makes the factual basis.
I agree 100%. Mr. McKay, are you working?
Yes, I am. Yes, Your Honor.
Who do you work for and how long have you been employed there?
I work for a company called Industrial Realty Group, and I've worked there since 2017, so going on over 8 years.
All right, any prior criminal history?
No, Your Honor.
Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you?
No, Your Honor.
I'd just like to mention for the record, Your Honor, that Mr. McKay does not live in Michigan.
I see that.
Okay.
All right, Mr. McKay, normally I would order court costs and some days on our work program, but I don't want you coming in from Ohio for work program. So what I'm going to do is hit you with money, $500 court costs, and I'm going to require that you do 24 hours community service or charity work between now and January 15th.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. Understood.
You're welcome. Can you pay the $500 online today?
Yes, I can.
All right. And as far as the charity work, just literally any organization that's approved with the IRS as a 501c3. So churches, soup kitchen, Salvation Army, any nonprofit charity, volunteer with them, official letterhead from the charity or charities, could be more than one. This shows you've done a total of 24 hours community service. Get that letter to us between now and January 15th.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. Understood.
Any questions?
No, Your Honor.
Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Good luck with your sentencing, counsel.
Thanks, Your Honor. Have a nice morning.
You as well.
Hey, Ruthie, what's up?
I'm just hanging out.
Oh,
Listening.
perfectly fine. Hang
Okay.
out with us.
Thanks.
Miss Woodson, I don't know if you want to hang out or if you just want to wait till they get a hold of you and let you know that we have one and then you can jump back on. It's totally up to you.
Oh,
Yeah.
thanks.
Mr. Stinger, have you spoke to the prosecutor?
I have. We have an agreement.
All right, be right with you.
Counsel, are you ready on Newland?
I am. We are.
Your appearance.
Thomas Stringer appearing on behalf of Daniel Nolan.
And what are we doing on Nolan?
We've reached an agreement with the prosecutor. Mr. Nolan's going to plead guilty with the plea taken under advisement. And it'll be for 3 months. He will pay his fines during that period of time and the matter would be dismissed.
All right, Mr. Nolan, did you discuss your rights and options with counsel?
Yes, sir.
You understand those rights and the options presented to you?
Yes.
You understand the possible penalty for today's charge?
Yes.
Yes.
And understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, if you would voir dire to get me my facts, November 8 is the incident date shown on my file.
Yes. Mr. Nolan, do you recall being at the court or at the airport on November 8th, 2024 or 25?
Yes.
And at that time, were you missing your luggage?
Yes,
All right, and you were told to go check it out and at another location. Is that correct?
by crew member.
By a crew member. And you went over there and ultimately did you find any luggage at that time?
No,
All right. And then you decided to go back to where you came from. Is that correct?
correct.
And the agent told you not to go?
That is correct.
And you did not follow that order. Is that correct?
Yes,
Are you pleading guilty because you believe you are guilty?
yes,
All right, so I'm assuming he went to a secured part of the airport after somebody told him not to go there?
No, he went to where he was supposed to go, but then he was not supposed to go back to the secure part.
Oh, I got it. Yeah, okay. He
I
left
was
the gate
exiting the-
area and then
Yes.
went back to the gate area.
Correct.
Okay, all right, I can accept the plea. What
Thank
should I
you.
know about Mr. Nolan before I tell him the terms of the delayed sentence?
Mr. Nolan is a psychologist, is that correct?
child psycho,
Child psychologist, and he's 65 years old. He's,
71.
oh, excuse me, 71. I'll get all this right. And that he has never been in any trouble whatsoever, asking the court to follow the agreement we've reached with Mr. Mena, the prosecutor. And
Yeah, and that was for a 3-month delayed, counsel?
it was.
All right, and Mr. Nolan, anything else you want me to consider?
Mr. Nolan's going to be out of town, family issues between February 3rd and 15th, but I don't know if we'd be returning to court or not. Do you have anything else to say?
No, no need to return to court. As long as he doesn't have any new criminal offenses comes up and he pays the court costs as ordered, no need to return.
Thank you.
All
Do you have
right.
anything else you want to say?
No, I'm fine. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome, sir. 3 months, stay out of trouble. Court costs are assessed in the amount of $300. Can you pay that today online?
Yes,
Any questions, gentlemen?
Do you have a question?
the dates of the,
You can leave. It's not a problem.
I'm not making you stay in Michigan.
You can leave the state of Michigan.
oh, okay, okay, great.
Yeah,
great.
all you have to do to satisfy me is stay out of trouble and pay the $300 or pay the $300 as ordered. Can you pay that today online?
Yes, he can.
We'll take care of it.
All right. Have a good day, gentlemen.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
All right.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Good viewings. Eu não devia ter indicado isso, dia.
Judge.
We're waiting for Mr. Jadala to come out.
Yeah, I figured that. Yep. Thank you. Grabbing files. Heather, you see this interpreter's trying to get in?
Nope. I'll bring her in and throw her in with Ruthie.
Letter C. That's interesting stuff. So the question is, what is this?
Sam, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Alrighty.
You want to start with Mr. Jadala?
Your Honor, we could start with, I'm standing in for Attorney Medina on this gentleman, last name Kazhukauskas.
Got it. Pronounce it, sir.
Yes, sir.
Pronounce your name.
Vytautas Kažukauskas.
Sure.
And Your Honor, at this time, we are asking for a pretrial. Attorney Medina has provided me, and I've provided to the airport prosecutor some paperwork for his consideration, Your Honor. We just asked for the pretrial date, so Attorney Medina could meet and further try to resolve this matter with Mr. Minnick.
All right. How about that January 8th date?
Should be fine, Judge.
9:10 again, Heather?
That's fine.
All right. That's with Judge Martin, correct?
Correct.
All right. Sir, we'll send you a notice that'll have the Zoom information for Judge Martin's courtroom.
Okay.
Who's next, Mr. Jadala?
Mr. Simon, Noah Simon.
Simon?
Correct.
Go ahead. Good morning, Mr. Simon.
And Your Honor, respectfully, Samuel Jadala, Mr. Simon, Your Honor. Purposes of arraignment, we'd waive formal reading, stand mute. At this time, matters being dismissed. We provided proof that Mr. Simon has paid standard parking.
All right, Mr. Simon, assuming a dismissal is okay with you.
It's okay with me, sir.
Have a lovely day.
Thank you so much. You too.
Your Honor, we're already on Mrs. Dayona Smith.
Go ahead while I look for a file.
And Your Honor, respectfully, all we're doing is asking for that January 8th court date for Ms. Smith to be able to pay standard parking so we could return and show Mr. Minnick proof.
9:20.
All right. Got that, Ms. Smith?
Yes,
We'll mail you notice.
thank you.
Your Honor, we're already on Yaw Dizina, Dizina.
I've got that file open. Go ahead.
Your Honor, Samuel Jadala, appearing on behalf of Mr. Dizina. Your Honor, at this time, we're asking for a new court date. He has some few matters open that he'd like to resolve prior to, and hopefully we could resolve this matter at the next court hearing.
How about January 8th, 9:20?
Perfect.
Mr. Jazini, you got that? January 8th, we'll mail you notice. You're muted. Mr. Jazina, we'll mail you notice for January 8th. That work?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your day.
Please hold on.
Will they send another Zoom link?
Yes, they will. They're going to mail it to you guys.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you.
No problem.
He has. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Anything else ready, Mr. Jadala?
That's all I have for now, Judge. Thank you.
Sam, are you ready on this one?
I am.
What's the name?
Mr. Abdul Mulim, Abdumulem.
And there is an interpreter, Judge.
Interpreter, your name.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor, Tanya Ghanem,
And Ms. Ganem, what's the language?
Arabic.
All right, raise your right hand for me.
Yes,
Do you swear or affirm that you will translate between English and Arabic, Arabic and English, so we can discuss this matter today?
I do.
All right, let Mr. Abdul Mullen understand interpret what we just talked about, please.
القاضي حلفني يمين إنه أقول الترجمة تكون صحيحة.
Mr. Jadala, what are we doing?
Then at this time, we wait for him a reading, stand mute. He'll be pleading responsible to double parking with the $400 fine.
عم بيسأل سيد جد الله شو عم نعمل اليوم؟ قال له إنه نلتزم الصمت وناخد العرض وبتدفع $400.
Mr. Abdul Mullen, is this the way you want to resolve this with the responsible plea?
سيد عبد الله تريد هيدا تاخد هيدا العرض وتقول انك مسؤول. جاوب تكلم. Oh, he's on mute, Your Honor. I cannot hear him.
No, I can't hear him either, and he doesn't show that he's muted.
Yes.
All right. And you've agreed to pay $400 fines and costs, sir?
وموافق انك تدفع $400 رسوم. تكلم. Yes.
عم بوصل السبيكر. I'm sorry.
Has issue with the speaker, Your Honor.
All right. And when can you pay the $400, sir?
أي متى فيك تدفع $400؟
ترى اخذ شهر.
Can you give me 1 month?
Yes, by January 1.
اوكي عندك لشهر 1 يوم 1 لتدفع المبلغ.
If the money's not received by January 1st, then the misdemeanor is back up. You'll have to deal with that.
اوكي اذا ما بتدفع المبلغ من هلا لشهر 1 يوم 1 بيرجع العقوبة للأصلية، يعني بتصير جنحة.
بروح على المحكمة بدفعهم.
Do I come to the court and pay it there?
You can pay it in person or you can pay it through our website.
نعم، أو فيك تجي أنت شخصيا على المحكمة تدفعون، أو فيك تجي تدفعون على الموقع الإلكتروني الويب سايت.
بدي بروحوا كل النقاط عني ولا بيكون في شيء؟
So is the points are gone or?
Nope. Yeah, no points. Double parking is no points, nothing on his record. Like we talked about.
نعم صحيح، بيشلك كل النقاط، ما في نقاط.
شكرا.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. Is there anything else I can assist you before I log out?
I don't believe so. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye.
You too.
Mr. Tafalski, are you ready? Or did you need a breakout room with your client?
Could I do a breakout room real quick?
Sure.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Morning.
You ready, Mr. Tafalski?
Yes.
All right, let me bring your client out. When the judge is ready, he'll call your
Thank you. Bye. Heather, you got something ready?
Yeah, Mr. Kriegel.
Counsel, your parents for Kriegel.
Paul Tefelsky on behalf of Mr. Kriegel.
And what do we have?
Your Honor, we have a resolution where my client's going to plead guilty to the checkpoint violation under 771.1 for a 3-month period.
Thank you. Mr. Kriegel, you understand your rights and options?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand the possible penalty for this charge?
Yes, sir.
Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty to the charge freely and voluntarily today?
Yes, sir.
Counsel would, well, I got it. Sir, did you appear at the Detroit Metro Airport on November 10, 2025?
Yes, sir.
And did you find yourself at a checkpoint area?
Yes, sir.
Did you have something in your possession at the checkpoint that you were not authorized to have there?
Unfortunately, sir.
And was that a firearm, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, counsel, you satisfied?
Satisfied.
So am I. What should I know about Mr. Kriegel before I sentence?
Your Honor, he's never been in any trouble before. He's a businessman in Ohio.
his flight that he was originally supposed to be on a private plane had to be aborted, and so he got a commercial flight and forgot what was in his bag. It was an accident.
Okay. Mr. Craigle, anything you want to add? Don't feel that you have to.
No, sir. I guess other than I'm sorry that it happened.
I'm sure it was an eye-opening experience for you.
Yes, sir.
All right. I will delay sentence for 3 months. During that time period, stay out of trouble. No new charges. Court costs are assessed the amount of $500. Can you pay that online today?
Yes, sir.
Anything else, gentlemen?
No, Your Honor.
No,
Enjoy
sir.
your day.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you. Heather, we still got some people in breakout rooms or what's going on?
No, we're just waiting. The last two was at 10 o'clock and I don't see anything. And one of them had an attorney, Gerard Elder. I'll call him and see what's going on. Unless, did you hear anything, James?
No, that's why I was coming in to peek in to see if I was missing something.
All right, let me call him real quick and see what's going on.
Okay.
He's on now. Hi, Mr. Elder. Do you have your client with you?
I do. He's actually right next to me. We're in actually a hallway of the courthouse.
Oh, nice. All right. I'll throw you in a breakout room with Mr. Mena.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You ready, Mr. Elder?
I am.
Alrighty.
Hey, Heather,
Yeah.
we're just gonna do double parking, 300 on Al Hosh. Future 10 o'clock, Judge.
Got it. Counsel, your appearance for Al Haj.
The Ray Elder, I have Mr. Al-Hajjan, which is seated to my right.
Thank you. And this is a civil infraction, right?
Yes, Judge. I have
It's-
authority.
Yeah.
All right. Are you going to enter the plea for Mr. Al Haj? Or you're going to put him on screen?
Judge, I'll take a plea on his behalf, Your Honor.
All right. That's pleaded double parking on his behalf. Dismiss the misdemeanor. Fine the cost $300.
Yes.
Pay it today.
Yes.
All righty. Go see the cashier. Have a great day.
Thank you, Judge. You too. Take care, one.
Good seeing you, DeRay.
Good to see you too. Take care. Thank you so much.
We think that's it?
I don't have anybody left in my queue, Judge. I don't see Sammer has anything. Bring him in if you want. They'll love me moving him.
Judge, how much was it so I can get that dispoed?
300.
Thank you.
And Judge, we'll see you on Thursday.
All right, Jim, thanks.
I think that's, Heather, we have anything?
Nope, we're good.
All right, guys, have a good one.
Yeah,
All
you
right.
too.
See whoever's going to be there Thursday.
All right. Have a great day, everyone.
All right. Bye now.
Miss Woodson, you're probably still on hold till at least 11. We just don't,
okay.
yeah, we
Sorry.
just don't have any arraignments right now.
Okay.
But if we get any, I think you're on hold till 11. You don't have to hang on. You can log off if you choose to.